I know say I be Port Harcourt boy normally. And no be every time I dey get chance to dey come house, you understand? I decide say any opportunity wey I get now, I go dey use am dey come house. Dey make sure say my people sef dey feel am.
Today we want to tell you, we are double happy. Today God has made it possible. We are seeing you face to face. Yes. We are amazing we are amazed of what you are doing. What you are doing right now is touching all of us. Yes. Because you beautify our place. That means you give us shelter, you give us food. You are giving us a free movement. That's a wheelchair. Look, you've done more than enough. We want to sincerely say that you will never be erased in our heart. Say with that.
Now we need one hour and five of the time call. You put here, there, you need pause. Jumba. Oh, back to the call. Look
at me, dada. As my dreadlocks are longer. I know say right now, now my time, I no go waste them, rara. I go use them, dada. I go use them, dada. Innocent in a bastard. How they see I'm jeje. So if I do you wrong, I apologize. For the people who they sympathize, I gotta go make them larger. Love you right. It's full of snakes and spiders. Make a wrong move, lose your life, make it hard for your mother to sleep at night. Street no love you right. Some people they for mortuary. Some people they for hospital. Count your blessing one by one. Sure bet, yeah. Time has come to lift our voices, lift my voice in prayer.
The God of the orphan that has made way for you to visit me. I just buried my mother. I don't have anybody. I've been born with this sickness. I've been going through things. But all I want to say, may the good Lord bless you. Thank you very much, Burna Boy.
There's nothing I can do to replace this, but you know, if there's anything I can do to make you feel a little better, I'm all for it. You know? So just promise me no cry again, because your cry they make me cry. Thank you, Mama.
I must tell you that your son, Damini, he just like an angel.
আমার গুরু ভজ আর হবে না আর হবে না আমার মানব জনম ব্যথা যাবে মা গুরু ভজ আর হবে না যাবে পুরো ভজন আর হবে না আমি কেমনে বুঝাবো শরীরে
লালন আমারকে